So this is my new camera. I will post more on it as I use it. You will see that soon. So I'm kind of doing an opening or reveal of it. So this is what it comes inside. Let's take a look. Sorry, I have to on and off with the video. I don't have a holder right now for it, so I can do video and use both of my hands to pull stuff out of the bag. But here it is. So this is the Sony HDR-CX405BKIT kit that I got from Best Buy, and this is what it comes with it. That's the manual, the cables for the power supply, the camera itself, and a carry-on bag. Here we go. Okay, so for the cables we have our charger, which is this one over here, the battery, I think this HMI cable, USB cable, and Sony adapter card. Okay, that's what it comes with it and the packaging. Okay, so this is the camera. So far it looks very nice and packed, very light, but it doesn't have the battery on it, so it might change the way that's put the battery. So this is the traveling bag, which is really nice, very compact. Has a lot of space for all the equipment, camera, wires, anything else you wanna carry with you, like memory cards, extra batteries. It's quite light and compact. I like it.